how to change the weather, time, pitch and other things in FC24. So let's just select a kick-off match and then quickly choose 2 teams to play each other. So let's select the side, then let's just select a classic match. We'll play Man United versus Liverpool. Let's then select the kit, and before you select play match, select game settings. Now we can come down here within game settings. Then we can select the match condition. We can have custom. Then you can have the season. So we'll pick winter. The time of day. So if you want it to be a night match, you can put a later time and it'll change to night because you've selected the time. You can select the weather. So we'll have snow. The type of pitch. The pitch pattern. The pitch wear. The pitch colour underneath. Then the pitch line. You can change the ball colour. Let's change the pitch line to orange. Then let's play the game. Now, as we can see, all them settings are replicated in the game, and that is how to change everything.